We're in Wakanui, centre of South Island, third generation on the farm. We're a 900 hectare arable farm. We have about 14 different crops in the rotations. Everything from potatoes, grains, wheat and barley, ryegrass, radish, white clover, red clover, peas, sweet corn that we're standing in, and some soybeans and buckwheat. We have expanded a lot in the last 4 or 5 years because focus has really come on soil and the importance of soil and trying to have really good soil health. Yeah, rotation's hugely important to try and put more diversity in as we can. Different crops can pull different nutrients, so like buckwheat's very good for phosphate. They're also doing a lot to try and help with structure as well, so radish is very good as a ground breaker, so it's good for freeing the soil and putting a bit of oxygen in. We get weed management. It allows us to put animals into the system to try and help get that animal manure back going in to inoculate, to try and help that biology and keep that going. It is a big challenge and it's hard. We're by no means perfect or have it right yet, but yields have actually increased a little bit. And our costs have gone down. Our water retention's definitely better. We're starting to see more worms and some of these things in the soil which are good indicators. We haven't used superphosphate in any large quantity for the last 5 years. So we're putting the money more into different products. I suppose we're looking a bit harder at the rotation, for instance maize in behind clover, so we're coming out of a legume to try and use that nitrogen that we've got from the clover to help buffer the maize through. Every field is being soil tested every 2 years. We're also sap testing. Sap tests are quite good to see what's actually coming through in the plant versus what the soil's saying is down there and is it actually working. It's a good way to try and help gauge that this is where we're going and we're making the right steps. There's no argument that the climate's changing, so we are all going to have to adapt. And we need these companies like Corteva and that to be able to do the research and try and find new products and that, and especially in some of the biotech space, we need that next frontier to be coming and help us through. To me, it means the future for me and my family, really.